Hello, everyone. Jorge here with Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. Nexus for linking, Nexus for connecting. And today's video is in regards to a new program. And this new program or study program is for anyone trying to start a career in IT, information and technology, especially if you have no experience in this field. Well, I would suggest you to maybe you can start doing networking. Okay, when I say networking, I'm referring to routing and switching and firewalls. So maybe you in the past you hear companies like Cisco, Fortinet, Checkpoint, Palo Alto Networks, the most known companies for routing and switching and firewalls, where if this is sounds that sounds for you, something that you maybe you want to investigate, something that you want to research, you reach out to me. I'm willing to give you more information. So I got a career path for you, okay? And I'm gonna show you here how it works, prices, and everything else. So stay tuned. So first of all, there is three companies in here, okay? First, it was my personal brand, Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies, where along with the DevSecOps dojo, which is that dojo, I'm gonna show you right now here. We got this dojo here is a community where we talk about technology every single day. You can see the conversation here. And this is driven, or this is basically Cloud Underground. Who is Cloud Underground? Okay, Cloud Underground, they are the owners of this community, the DevSecOps dojo. Okay, and this is their website. So if you want to check Cloud Underground at that, feel free to check what they do. Especially they focus in building assets, IDPs, system supports. They do a little bit of everything. Anything to do with cloud native technologies, you can reach out to them or to myself. Okay. So you got Avalos Cloud Native. Now you got Cloud Underground. And there is a third company here, okay, from Guatemala. And this company is focused on training people in Fortinet, Palo Alto, Checkpoint, VMware, Cisco. You can see all the vendors in here. So once you sign up with a course with me, okay, using this program, EduTech, we have courses in English, also in Spanish. So again, I'm Jorge, I'm based in Montreal, Canada. I can guide you to start courses in Spanish if you like, or English. It's not a problem for us. Okay. So I do have a complete package for you to start a career. You don't need to spend 20, 40, $60,000 in a school, college, or university, and maybe just have some debts, never be able to start a job or just able to break into the market. So that's what I do here. So with Avalos Cloud Native, along with the DevSecOps Studio from Cloud Underground and EduTech, okay, and the way we work, okay. So the way we work is this way, okay? We have three different packages on myself, Avalo Cloud Native Technologies here. So if you don't have to pay anything, but if you look into have coaching from people who is basically working or providing services in the market, we can basically share a lot with you when it comes to what companies are asking for, what kind of candidates. We can help you to do your resume. We can guide you to break into the market and just get a job or maybe start your own business and build assets. That's Cloud Underground. It's free, but if you want coaching, you want to learn everything that we do, you want to hear experience from us. There you go. There is a package for that. It's only $399, okay? Dojo is free if you want coaching with everything to do with cloud native and how to do business with a framework. We can make it entrepreneurs or business owners. Okay, that's $399. There is package number two. So package number two will include what we have in package number one, okay? The only difference is that this company here, EduTech from Guatemala, they will join us to train you with live sessions and record the sessions too, along with labs, PDF, and access to the vendor, right? They are direct partner with the vendor, with Cisco, Fortinet, Palo Alto, and all these companies. So this is not just any cheap training you find out there in Udemy. This is having access to Cisco staff, Fortinet, Palo Alto, VMware, and all that. Of course, the prices does not include every single course. You will have to start at one level, and eventually you have to pay for other courses. The advantages of this, the package number two, is that once you sign up with us, you're gonna have training for CCNA, which is Cisco. We're gonna start with Cisco. We'll help you to get your CCNA certification. Okay. But all the other ones after that, like we have to pay for that separately. But package number two will include access to the dojo from Cloud Underground. It will include the coaching for Cloud Native, which is everything what Cloud Underground does. You're gonna have the network career with EduTech, right? This company here, with live sessions, recordings, PDF, labs, and everything else. And on top of that, you're gonna have all the coaching from me. So any questions when it comes to breaking into the market, I'm gonna share all my experience in Canada when it comes to I used to work in the oil and gas, oil science. For I don't work for government agencies too as well. And when it comes to infrastructure, what companies are looking for, what kind of candidates, how to make your resume, how to sell yourself, how to basically amplify your terminology, because the terminology you will get here is huge. You will not be just talking about memory, hard drive, SSD, or just like an IP address. You're gonna have terminology that you will get nowhere else, right? We'll talk about cloud agnostic, cloud native, cybersecurity, AI, blockchain, and much, much more. So the coaching is basically for 1 year, okay, for both of them, both packages. But if you join, because I'm looking for 20 people who wants to basically drive this new initiative that we have with EduTech and Cloud Underground, along with my branding, Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies. So you will have coaching for me, and also you have the opportunity to do business with us. I'm going to show you what I have here. Okay. Now open this card here. I'm going to ask you a few questions. The first question is, okay, what's holding you back? How are you using your time? Are you using your time efficiently? Are you just wasting your time? Or maybe it's time to maybe start a career and have a future. That's the first question. Something to ask yourself there. Maybe you're just tired about your job. Who knows? The second thing is, what would you do in this AI revolution? They say that almost 40% of the jobs will be gone. So you gotta get ready for that. Maybe a robot will be doing your job. Things are being automated. In most course, there is new jobs. But are you prepared to get those new jobs? So technology changes new jobs. Are you ready to be there? I'm not sure. Okay. Are you ready to be a leader or lead into information and technology? Okay. That's another question to ask. Also, you may start by you looking to learn a lot more and grow in technology, right? Because again, this is not just networking. This is not just routing and switching or firewalls. This is not just, um, you know, a simple course that you will take for a few months and that's it. No, this is ongoing learning. This is a community. This is an academy. What we say, this Avalos Cloud Native, this Cloud Underground, and this is ongoing learning, ongoing engagement between all of us, because it's not easy sometimes just to do technology on your own, and you have nobody to share what you learn or what you do or what you build. So basically, this is a small family here, okay? And I'm gonna show you package number one. So if you join uh, Avalos Cloud Native and Nexus Technologies, basically this is Cloud Underground. I'm gonna show you how the ABT framework works, the automate the boring things. And it's basically a mentorship program, right? This is what I'm gonna be doing for the $399. You join me, access for life, because you will be one of the new members. Once you join this mentorship program, you're a mentee and I'm the mentor, and along with the others, then you're learning cloud native technologies. Once you know your stuff, whatever path you choose, because you could be only networking using cloud native technologies. You may be only databases, you may be just containers, web servers, who knows? There's a lot of different areas you can choose. But as long as you can show us or show me that you can do something, okay, we know he got this skills, he's really good at what he does, then you will have access to a job, right? So you can start delivering project with the Cloud Ops, which is another company for Cloud Underground. So you start delivering enterprise services with Cloud Underground. They have a payment system. They got everything in place for you to just do business. I mean, start your own business, build your own assets and all that. Okay. So that's package number one, only like $399. And then you will have package number two here, which is basically the training to become a network engineer. So you will have access to the network engineer program from EduTech. in Guatemala. And this network engineering program includes live sessions, recordings, instructors, PDF labs from the vendor, and you will have access to the dojo, to the previous picture that I show you, or diagram, where you learn cloud native technologies and you increase your knowledge in not just in networking, but in cloud native infrastructure. And you will also have access to everything else, like the job board, access to have an internship with Cloud on the Ground. And then eventually, as a network engineer, which I suggest to everyone, because if you want to do cybersecurity, it's really important. It's really important for you to know networking. If you're doing security operations center, if you're doing security information event management, if you're doing any kind of forensics, networking is essential for you to understand how it works, how things are connecting, because there is network firewalls, there is endpoint firewalls, there is proxies in the endpoint, there's network proxies, there is antivirus, there is load balancers, there is all kind of one accelerators. There's so many network devices out there, and also for endpoint security, that the more you understand architectures or infrastructure, the more you understand products and what they do, and the more you understand networking, you can basically be a good candidate for any company out there. For me, that was the easiest way to do networking, and now that's what I do. I do cybersecurity. Okay, so again, you start with a network engineering program. You have my coaching for cloud native, and not just me, but my community. The network engineering program is driven by EduTech in Guatemala. Then you will have immediately access to the dojo, to the community, and eventually you can get to become a cybersecurity engineer or analyst. Okay, so again, if you are someone who wants more information, you like what you're listening to, what you hear right now, visit my website, cloud.ca, and the tab here for Alpha's Cloud Native. Package number one is only the dojo with coaching. Package number two, sorry, is only dojo, EduTech, which is a network program, coaching. 3 different things. Basically, the coaching is for life for the first 20 members, because we have an initiative here. After that, coaching will be for only 1 year. So again, you get my experience in Canada, how to break into the market, what companies are looking for, what technology, like where we're heading with technology, what's trending, and the skills that you should be getting. So if you want more information, visit my website. We talk about community support, daily mental health, engage, stay fit mentally and physically. It's really important. We preach about AI, cybersecurity, blockchain, cloud native, and don't forget to follow us on social media as well. So again, Jorge Avalo, Invest in Montreal. If you see something that you like, reach out. I got more information for you. I got a lot to share. I love what I do. I love basically mentoring others. It keeps me happy and fit too, because you get to review and analyze how other people think, because sometimes everyone is different, and finding ways to explain things, because sometimes you may not understand this way, but you're going to understand another way. Okay, so again, visit like if you're looking to have a career in information technology, following a career path, starting on networking, followed by cybersecurity, AI, and cloud native technologies, you will have experience that you get nowhere else. Okay, so again, have a good night. Jorge Avalo here. Reach out if you like what you hear.